Hello and welcome to CAIE Grade 2 Maths. This is Unit 2A. I am your teacher, Andrea Montero Bullón. In this unit, we will learn the following topics: tens and ones to 100, comparing numbers, estimating, number pairs to 20, doubles, number sorting, single-digit and two-digit numbers, finding small differences, arrays, counting in twos, fives, and tens, division, tens and ones to 100. In this topic, the words to remember are digit, partition, ones, tens, place, and value. Look at these two numbers, 5 and 12. 5 is a one-digit number, but 12 needs two digits to be written. This is because when we count to 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, we count 10 and 2 more. 12 is a two-digit number, but 5 is a one-digit number. One-digit numbers are written only in the ones column in your place value chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. However, two digits need to be written in the two columns of the place value chart. 10, 11, and 12. You can also use this place value chart. One-digit numbers will be written in the ones column, but two digits will need to use two columns in the place value chart. Now, look at this place value chart. Which number is this? 7. You are right. 7 is a one-digit number because it only uses the ones column to be counted and written. What about this number? Is it a one-digit number or a two-digit number? You're right. It's number 15, a two-digit number, because there is one 10 and 5 ones in number 15. We can use tens and ones to make numbers up to 100. For example, I can add 20 and 4 to make number 24, a two-digit number. I can add 20 with 6 to make 26, a two-digit number. I can also use number 4 on its own, and I will have a one-digit number. Ones and tens tell us how many tens and ones are there in a number. Look at number 54. In number 54, there are 5 tens and 4 ones. Comparing and ordering numbers. In this topic, The words to remember are less than and greater than. Now, let's look at these two numbers. Can you say them in English? You're right. That's number 35, and this one is 71. There are 3 tens in number 35, but there are 7 tens in number 71. Now, which number has more tens? 71. 71 is greater than 35. That's why the crocodile's mouth is open towards 71. We can also say that 35 is less than 71. But the crocodile's mouth will still open towards 71. Estimating. In this topic, the words to learn are estimate and count. Look at all these simites. How many do you think are there? Well, we can count them in twos, in fives, or in tens. This is a group of 10 simites. Then I estimate that there may be 20, 25 simites, maybe? Let's count them. This is another group of 10 simites. 10 plus 10 is 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. The count is 26 simites. I estimated there could be 20 or 25, but the count is 26. The better estimation is 25. 80 is a bad estimation because 80 is far from 26. Number pairs to 20. In this topic, the word to remember is pair. Look at these 2 socks. They are a pair of socks. There are 2 socks in a pair. Now, I have 20 socks here, and I will split them into 2 groups, a pair of groups. For example, 8 and 12. 8 plus 12 equals 20. 8 plus 12 are a number pair to 20. 10 and 10. 10 plus 10 equals 20. 10 plus 10 are a number pair to 20. 2 and 18. 2 plus 18 equals 20. 2 and 18 are a number pair to 20. Doubles. In this topic, the word to learn is double. Ooh, how many hands can you see? I think I can see double. Double means 2 times. For example, double of 2 is 4, 2 and 2. Double of 5 is 10, 5 and 5. Let's see. What is double of 15? There is 1 10 in 15 and 5 ones. Let's double it. 5 ones, another 5 ones. 1 10, another 10. But it doesn't make a lot of sense. I cannot have 10 in the ones. You're right. This 10 needs to come to the tens column. Yes, this is right now. Double of 15 is 30. Number sorting. In this topic, the words you'll need to remember are odd one out and multiple. Look at these trees. Do you notice anything? There is a different tree, a red tree. The red tree is the odd one out. Now, look at these numbers here. Which one is the odd one out? 5. 5 is the odd one out because number 5 is the only odd number. 4, 6, and 2 are even numbers. Now, look at these numbers here. Can you spot the odd ones out? 25, 21, 29, 57, 27, 58, 22, 20, 24, 53. You're right. 57, 53, and 58 are different. They are the odd ones out because the other ones are in the decade of 20. We can sort them out in a Carroll diagram. A Venn diagram is also very useful. Let's sort these numbers out. I think we can sort them into multiples of 5 and multiples of 10. Multiples of 5 will be inside this circle and multiples of 10 inside this other circle. But have you noticed anything? Number 10, number 20, and number 30 are in both circles. Then we will write them in the middle of both circles. 7, 11, 6, and 23 will stay out because they are neither multiples of 5 nor multiples of 10. one-digit and two-digit numbers. In this topic, the words to remember are strategy and adjusting. In your book, you can read single digit, and that will mean one digit. Let's add 31 and 24. What is the easiest way to add these two numbers? There are two strategies for this. Strategy 1, partitioning. I can partition into tens and ones and add them up. 30 plus 20 equals 50. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 55. I can also count on from either number. That's strategy 2. So I will partition number 30, 30 plus 1, and count on. 30 plus 24. 24, 10, 20, and 30. Excellent. 54. Well done. Now we need to add the single digit left. One digit. 1. 54 plus 1 equals 55. 54 plus 1 equals 55. This is called adjusting. Adding the single digit, one digit, is called adjusting. Find small differences. In this topic, the word you need to remember is difference. Look at these two bead strings. Are they different? Are they the same? You're right, they are different. In this one, there are 24 beads, whereas in this one, there are only 21. They have a very small difference. Only 3 beads. 24 take away 21 equals 3. I know this is right because 3 plus 21 equals 24. Number lines, or the 100 square grid, are also very useful to find small differences. For example, if I ask you to find the difference between 83 and 78, 83 away 78, you can count from 78 until 83. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The difference is 5. I know this is right because 5 plus 78 equals 83. Arrays. In this topic, the word you need to remember is array. Look at this group of stars. This is an array of stars. In this array, there are 2 rows and 8 columns. There are 16 stars in this array. I can count them very slowly by adding up 8 plus 8 equals 16, or 2 plus 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 another 2 equals 16 stars. Or I can quickly multiply 2 by 8 equals 16. Look at this array of stars. How many rows and columns can you see? You're right. There are 4 rows and 6 columns. So, in order to count them all, I can add them up, or I can multiply the rows by the columns. 6 times 4 equals 24. I always get the same answer, the same result. Counting in 2s, 5s, and 10s. In this topic, the word to remember is count. Count in. Look at this array of stars. I can count them in 2s. How many arrays of 2 can you count? 12 arrays of 2. So, to count all the stars, I can add them up, or I can multiply 2 by 12 arrays. That's 24. I will add the last star, and I have 25. I can also count in 5s. I have 5 arrays of 5. To know the total amount of stars, I can add them, or I can multiply the arrays by 5, and that equals 25. I can also count them in tens. 2 arrays of 10 stars. 2 times 10 equals 20. Or 10 plus 10 equals 20. Plus the 5 stars left equals 25. Division. In this topic, the words you will learn are division, grouping, and reminder. Look at these biscuits. Can we share them? We can have 3 for me and 3 for you. Or I can have 2. You can have 2. And my cat, meow, can have 2. When we share, we make groups and we are dividing. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Or 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Now, look at this. I made groups of 4 with my biscuits. I have 4 groups of 4 biscuits. Can you guess how many biscuits were there in the packet? You are right. There were 16 biscuits in total. You can add all the biscuits, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, or multiply them, 4 times 4. I know this is right because 16 divided by 4 equals 4. I am still hungry. Look at these delicious buns. Can we divide them and share them with friends? We can share them with 2 friends. 7 divided by 2 equals 3. But there will be 1 bun left. Remainder. 1 bun left. We can share and divide these 7 buns with 3 friends. Each of them will have 2 buns. But there will be 1 bun left. Remainder. If we share and divide our 7 buns with 7 friends, there will be no buns left. Remainder is 0. But if 5 friends come for breakfast and we divide and share our buns with them, 7 divided by 5 equals 1. Each friend will have 1 bun, but 2 buns will be left. Remainder 2. The end. Thank you for watching.